Read words with a, I, o and u sound, ending in e. Examples of words with long a sound: face, place, rate, brave, game, name, change, hesitate. Examples of words with long I sound: like size, time, fire, drive. Side, white, line. Examples of words with long o sound: close, note, home, hope, rose, hose, robe, vote. Examples of words with long u sound: cute, amuse, use, huge, glue, clue, juice, pure. Examples of phrases with long a sound: a happy face, a faraway place, change the game. Examples of phrases with long I sound: a house on fire, a long drive, a white dress. Examples of phrases with long o sound: a high tone, a rocky road, a short note. Examples of phrases with long u sound: a huge animal, a cure for COVID-19, a paste in a tube. Examples of sentences with long a sound: Filipino heroes are brave. Her name is Gigi. The Scotch tape is sticky. Examples of sentences with long I sound: I always order an extra cup of rice. The bakery sells an egg pie. Ice makes our drinks cold. Examples of sentences with long o sound: close the door, feel at home, vote for him. Examples of sentences with long u sound: cute pets amuse me. Mother's love is pure. Use the glue in your artwork. Read the following rhymes. Read the following rhymes. Activity 1. Directions. Read the sentences. Choose the words with long vowel sound ending in e and write them on your notebook. 1. The cake is sweet. 2. Do you know how to fly a kite? 3. There is a bike in the park. 4. I go home after school. 5. Batman has a black cape. Directions. Copy the 5 words with long vowel sound and silent e, like cake in the puzzle below. Directions. Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks with the correct words with long vowel sounds. Directions. Read the following sentences. Tell if they have words with a long vowel sound by putting a check mark on the blank before the number.